Hello everybody, Caleb here with Remax, and today we're in the community of Lake Sundance. You know this is one of my favorite family communities. Been fortunate enough to live in here myself. Now, obviously known for its 33-acre private lake that's exclusive to the residents that live in Lake Sundance. But there is also a second lake, Lake Sukomi, that is public as well. But people do come here because there's 5 really good schools. There's tremendous access to Stony, Deerfoot, Cloud Trail, and one of my favorites is it borders onto Fish Creek Park. Now, where we're at right now is only about 4 or 5 homes from the place that we're going to go take a look at. So I'll meet you on over there. Come on in, guys. So although this community was developed in the 80s, this home has had a ton of updates over the years. You notice all these windows were recently replaced. It's been painted. It has newer flooring. I love this open concept dining, living room, the vaulted ceilings. It really allows all that natural light. Now this opens to your kitchen, which was recently updated with the white cabinetry, newer countertops, and a very functional breakfast nook. And this side door goes to your backyard as well as your double garage. Now, upstairs features 3 bedrooms. The first one is currently being used as a nursery. It has newer flooring as well. The second bedroom is quite large, actually. Love these windows. Great closet space. Your master bedroom would certainly fit a king bed and dresser space. I love this view to the backyard and your double garage. Great spot for your family to play and hang out. And it has what's called this cheater ensuite, which is actually accessible from your hallway and other bedrooms as well. But it has the added convenience of having this pocket door. Now your second living space is very, very functional and cozy. I love this fireplace. Because we're half sunken, you still have quite large windows down here. This would make an awesome bedroom space. It's currently being used as an office, but it does have a full bathroom, so it could really be used as a 4th bedroom. Now the basement is your perfect kids room, games room. It's been recently painted and freshened up with the rubber floor, and this is a great spot for the kids to hang out, or the man cave is kind of what it's used now. So if you guys have any questions about this beautiful home, or if you'd like to book a private viewing, you know where to find me. Thanks for watching.